Hello everyone, my name is Syed Ahsan and today I am going to discuss about my research report proposal. Now moving towards the next slide. The title of my proposal is How Self-Awareness and Consciousness Can Be Obtained in AI. Now moving towards the next slide. Introduction. As far as the matter of technology evolving into future consequences, it can be predicted that AI is to obtain consciousness in the near future and can act completely as humans do. And their exploration gradually changes to the present in scientific analysis with articles, special topics, etc. As you can see in the screen, there are some facts which I have written. Deep in-depth study facilities to study of deep learning, achieving transparency, technology is becoming more powerful. Now moving towards the next slide, which is about summary of research question and purpose. Introducing existing methods of self-awareness in robots, we see that the important role of internal communication is underestimated. This simulates our proposal, which should be fully known, requiring journal research aimed at robots and the AI community of the information available about human internal communication with an emphasis on how it relates to self-awareness. As you can see, as faster machine intelligence grows. Now, next slide is about summary of relevant literature. At Cognitive Architects highlights the need to bridge the gap between structure based on problem solving and knowledge for 20 years. As you can see, there is a fact has have been written. Self-awareness is built when the machine learns from the environment itself. There is a proper study of cognitive architecture to be implemented in robotics. AI progress shouldn't happen without human intervention. Now moving towards the next slide. Summary of methods, methodology, and data collection. The focus of the analysis examines the role of internal and personal speech in the automation work of the exploration of a scene. There are some facts discussed, like the human brain crunches the maximum amount when you store data that is not possible in AI. Socially embedded robots are now to be market. Main robots are only turned on when learning from the environment unless humans allow it. Now moving towards the next slide, which is about the result. From the above assessment of the psychological literature, self-identification refers to the diverse approach of an element that increases the chance of uh, to navigate the environment, the social world, and the self from an AI. Like you can see on the screen. These are the points which I have mentioned. In a positive areas, a machine is taken into consideration to the greater self-consciousness that human and all. Now moving towards the next slide, which is the conclusion of the presentation. Future prediction says that if it keeps evolving in getting trained, the number of AI such as conscious objects may get increased, which may have a positive impact over human-related fields as medical, weather forecasting, robots, engineering, and so on. This is the conclusion, and it was my presentation. Now moving towards the next slide, which is about question. So, do you have any question? Feel free to ask me. Thank you.